G'day YouTube, it's Turbo Tristan here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're at a car meet. I've brought out my EK, which is over there. There's a whole crowd of people standing around it. We've got mostly Hondas here, but there's a ton of cars. We're going to check them all out. We've got a neat Subi here, and I've actually climbed up into a giant pop plant so I can get this good shot. So I'm going to jump down, go and check out everyone's cars, say good day to a few people, and bring you some cool content of a car event. All right, so an important thing in the car culture is electric cars. So starting off, so here's all of the Teslas. Oh, there aren't any. Anyway, we've got Civic RS5 in beautiful green. I love these. I'm going to buy my missus one day when I make it big. Neat CL. If you have a blue FK, you got to park it here. It's FK parking. All the Type R guys are out in force. They all line up together. Mint CL9. Doggos. EK. Clapper. Here we have a really nice, I believe it's a B series in this EK. Beautiful paint. How nice are these RD CRVs with the space savers on the back matching? I reckon that's really cool. How are you? Good, thank you. These guys are twinning, black and a white. All the JDM parts on there. Integra. Got the famous K24 EG all over TikTok. Check out these new rims. Woo. I really want one of these. I don't know how Woolworths feels about us taking over their car park and chasing off all their customers, but I'm sure we're going to find out. Black bonnet, black bonnets. This is nice. I really want to get a daily, pretty much do it exactly like this, but with the color matched bonnet. Love the rims. Rhonda needs a sister in the fleet, one that gets driven a lot. Very nice. Got a real soft spot for Jazzes, especially the newer mint ones. This one looks really good. Such a cool little car. CLs are the new Civics in Australia. They're everywhere, but not mad at it. I think they're an awesome value for money bargain if anyone's looking to get into the Honda scene. Bowler, it's already K24. There's heaps of body kit stuff available for them. Safety, brakes, power, economy. They look good, they handle well. Awesome sound systems, awesome options for navs and all that sort of stuff. Very comfortable seats. I think the CL is definitely the car to get for a daily, for sure, if you're into Hondas and you want to get into the JDM scene. Plus, it's a good work car. Your mother-in-law's not going to shout at you for rocking up in something so nice like that. So, yeah, I think they're the way to go. Aero. There's a surprising amount of FLs here, which is good, and FKs. So I'm happy with that. We've got the EK section. Hey mate, how are you? Very well. Just getting around filming everyone. Good to see you brought yours out. It just keeps getting more and more mint.
Yeah, we're getting it slowly.
It just looks standard.
Yeah. Well, we'll see what it does. If it makes actual difference. with everything.
Someone lowered their dog. Stan's puppy.
Since the last time you saw it, same thing. Then you read my
I think the next step after doing engines
Very well.
will be panel beating.
Sedan gang. That's what colour mine used to be.
Yeah, I know.
Can you believe my Civic used to be this exact colour in the past when I first got it? Loose.
Hey, Tristan, how are ya? Here's my car.
Tell me about your car.
Well, look at this. Passport mount, bloody hybrid racing. Hybrid racing. What do you call this? Huh?
What's that?
I don't know. Is it cable tie?
Yeah, it's cable tie.
Yeah. Is that from Bunnings?
No, BURSON.
BURSON. Yeah, that's BURSON makes good stuff. And what do you call that? Is that the one that sucks up all the single ladies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a
That's the one?
Alternator.
A 1020 alternator. Ah, beautiful. Hey, what?
That's my intake.
Yeah, you got two of them.
That's
two
my
air
pod
filter.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. This dog. Look, blanket.
Nice and warm.
Yeah.
Still warm?
It's like a python here. Got it, yeah? Beautiful. That's why you call it radiator.
Yep.
Massive.
Elusive radiator.
Elusive.
Full size.
Mad dog. And how many cores?
No idea. No
Two
idea.
cores?
I think it's like a three.
I think
core.
it's hard cores.
Excellent.
Where's the blow up valve here? I think that could be it. Oh, that could be it.
They both make noise.
Yeah, I reckon that's it there.
Yeah.
Spool up, mate. Spool up.
That's it. Thank you.
That's a Honda.
Which is your favourite car? Smell the clutch. He should not be driving. We saw him drink beers. So, police, get him. Get that guy. He's got kids in the car. Somebody stop him. He was drinking VBs.
On the
He
trolley,
could have
yeah?
been drinking bubble teas, but he has
Bubble tea's
VBs.